Jody Marks, chair and CEO of the world-leading elevator manufacturer Otis Worldwide Corporation, says that she appreciates the Chinese market for its approach to innovation and digitalization, and she believes that investing in China is investing in the future.
It's a very important market to us for a few reasons. One, it's the largest elevator and escalator market for new equipment in the world. We've been here since 1984, and the business itself is very important. Got over 500 engineers, digitally native people creating and driving innovation for us. Well, in the medium term, we continue to believe we're going to grow our share of segment here, especially in new equipment. What I love about the Chinese market is the approach to innovation and digitalization. It supports an approach to a more green economy with continued focus on urbanization. And we at Otis have the opportunity, and we have, to develop both products and services to respond to that. We invest in our manufacturing capabilities. Most of our factories here are all focused on Industry 4.0, but our latest factory is totally digital. And so we invest in our workforce of 17,000 colleagues. We invest in our facilities, but I think most importantly, we invest in our future here.